Hey butterflies, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. Today I have a rewind plan with me. I am using a printable kit. That's why this looks a little bit different than what you're used to seeing from me. This is 4 full pages of stickers that you can get for $3.50, and you just print them at home. So these are the Happy Planner boxes. It also comes with a regular planner boxes, like the standard size. So yeah, if you want to check them out, check out my printable shop. It's on Etsy, and I will link it down below. And if you have a PR code, you can get 10% off. So yeah, this is the Summer Lemonade kit. I am excited to be using it, and yeah, I just really wanted to show you guys like how I would use it in my planner. And I think this next week, or this week, is a good one. So I had a fairly busy week, but there's like big chunks, which is great using the Happy Planner boxes because they're a little bit longer. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use both pieces of washi. I think I'm going to do it this way because I'm going to cover this up this time, just to be a little different. And because, like I said, I had a busy week, but it was like stuff that took all day long. So the great thing about my printable stickers is that for my silhouette users, it comes with free silhouette files, cut files. So, sorry, my little tablecloth here is like falling off. So it makes it a little bit easier for you to cut them versus hand cutting. Cricut users, I believe that you can still do it. You just take the PDF and turn it into a JPEG, and then it should do it. So it's good for both. And yeah. Oh, that is so crooked on that end. Oh my gosh. And if you hear noise in the background, my neighbors are outside. I don't know why they are. It's like 100 degrees outside, but they are. And I have the air conditioning on because, like I just said, it's 100 degrees outside. I am not living without air conditioning right now. You're just going to have to deal with it. Okay. So, where did the date? There they go. Which one should I use? I think I'm going to use the pink ones. And I need to check my phone to see what the date was for this. Got that one right there. And then we'll just do the rest of them. And then I'm going to put headers down, and we will just speed through all of this. Okay, let's do our full boxes. So I do have some exciting stuff happening this week in the shop, so make sure you're following me on Instagram at the Butterfly Planner because I have some stationery coming out. I am so excited for this stationery. I will let you guys know that it is a notepad, and it's a notepad that no one I've ever seen has done before, and so I think it's really cool. I asked a couple people, and they said that they've never seen one like it, and they think it's really cool, so I'm very excited. And then some cute sticky notes with Tigaro on them. And yeah, so if you want to know all about them, make sure you're following me on Instagram. I am waiting for them to come from being shipped. I'm hoping to have them launch on the 1st. But I can't promise anything because if I don't have them, I can't give them, sell them. I mean, I could. I mean, people do that all the time, but I want you guys to see the physical thing or, item before I sell it. And I want to make sure, like, it's in good condition and all that kind of stuff, like that the company did a good job. I'm sure they will. But you know what I mean. So there's that. And then let's do this one over here. And we're just going to use all the boxes because when I'm memory planning, I don't really need the sidebar. So I didn't write down what we ate. I really need to get back into doing that though. So, and then used up sheet. Woohoo! Into the trash. So satisfying. And then we just want to cover up this line here. Ah! Hope if I was like paying attention not just to that line, but excuse me, I just burped. There we go. What can I put in the middle there? I don't know. I'll just put a check box. Just for the, I haven't used a lot of the green yet. Let's do that. And I'll just put, I'll just use the butterfly header. Make it matchy-matchy. So in the comments, let me know if you are a Printable user. And if you are, if you hand cut or if you have a cutting machine. Okay, so next I'm going to put in my work schedule, what I worked, because I have little work stickers here. So I worked Tuesday and Wednesday only. Is that right? Yeah. There's only, that's right, Tuesday and Wednesday because my work is weird. Some weeks I work like a bunch of hours and some weeks I don't. But it was, I think they were mad because I had asked for Friday and Saturday off, which you will see why. But I had asked for it off before they even hired me, so, and let them know about it, like literally a month and a half ahead of this time. So I think that is pretty good. Okay, so on Monday, we had some issues with my car, and we took it in, so I'm going to use this one and say, issues with car. And then my dad, because I was supposed to do it, but my dad ended up doing it, is we took my nephews in for their haircuts for my sister, and then and then we went to Lowe's. So I'm just gonna do this one here for that. Okay. And then, like I said, Tuesday I worked. We picked up my car. So I'll just use the same little thing. Just a different color, pick up car. And then I worked on my checklist that I had to do for my new work, my other new job. So many new jobs, I know. Craziness. But there was that. I think I'm just going to push it down a little. If I can. Like so, and kind of center it. No, because I want to put that we went to Taco Bueno. So I need a taco Tigaro. Do I have a taco Tigaro in here? chef too. There's those. I have been looking for my Formula One stickers forever. And I just found them and I'm super excited. Okay, that's the pizza. We want tacos. Tacos. I think I'll use this taco one from Glam Planner. Just put her right there for Taco Bueno. And then Wednesday I went to work. We took my car back because it wasn't right. I was not happy. Not happy at all. We had a Walmart pickup. So I'm going to grab this sticker from the Planning Queen. And then I'm going to take I think I'm going to take a little strip. Okay. So this will not be linear because I put down a sticker I shouldn't have. I should have put, it's okay. That's fine. Some of the Walmart run was down here. But before that and before work, I had breakfast with my sister. So, did breakfast. You know what? I'm not going to do a full box there. Or, you know, half box. I think I want to go back to these. Okay. So I'm taking this one from Papershire. Sorry, I would say it wrong because this is Talking Bananas. It always throws me, but it's Papershire now. And it just like some omelets on thing, and I'm just gonna put it off to this side so that it's like easier to write in later. And then Thursday, I really didn't do anything. I was really tired, I guess. I was really stressed out about my car too. Like we picked it up, we took it back and picked it up. And then it was just, we had to pick up parts on Thursday, so I'm just gonna do this. I don't wanna use the same color. Let's use a pink one. So we picked up the parts and then I kind of just relaxed all day. So I'm going to I think I'll use this sparkly yellow one off the glitter page and just put like relax on there. And then on Friday, we went to the motorcycle races at night, but in the morning we fixed my car. So I'm gonna use this green one because we're just not using enough of the green. I'm just gonna fix car. So we fixed the struts, we did it ourselves, and then Saturday we had it aligned. It was a whole big thing. So I'm gonna take this a biker Tigaro for the motorcycle races, and it was 2 nights. That's why I took Friday and Saturday off. And then we'll use another Tigaro, but we'll put him down here. And then, like I said, we did that, was fixing, or not, turning it in. Sorry, you're like off camera and everything, I think. Oh. Can you tell I haven't filmed a plan with me in a while? I'm sorry. I am all craziness. I'm going to take these breakfast stickers from Sweet Quiet Design because while we were waiting for my car to get aligned, we did go to breakfast. So I'm just going to put these little pieces of bacon right there. And then that was it for that day. On Sunday, we had the motorcycle races. And then I just put that we recovered. So it was a relaxing day. Let's see, do I have any like relaxing day? Plan, clean, me time, payday, no. So we'll just do like, oh, I totally forgot about icons. Oh, that's green on green. That's fine. So I'm just gonna do this butterfly and put recover. And then we had lunch at Palomino's. Oh, it was Father's Day. So let's take this off. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do this one of Tigro and Kit together. I know they're brother and sister, but for this it's fine, right? It's my sticker. But I'm gonna put Father's Day underneath it. Then I'm gonna put this one here and say we were recovering from, we weren't getting home until like after midnight. And if you know me, I'm like in bed and I may not fall asleep until 11, but I'm in bed at like 9, like just chilling. So but yeah, and then we did lunch at Palomino's. I took my dad out to like a late lunch, and then it was like drinks too. So let's find, I think those are in here. Let's find a good one for that. Here we go. What do you think would be good for my dad? We'll do this one just because. Oops, I'm not doing very well. It's stuck on my finger, but it won't come off. Okay. So there you go. I think that is so cute. I love it. I just need to write it in and fill it in, and I think it just turned out really, really cute. So I'm going to show you what I have left. So I have the EC boxes left, so if I wanted to do it again, I could do it again without worrying about the boxes. I have another set of date covers, all these boxes. I have all of this if I need them, to-do boxes, all that kind of stuff. I have this sheet, I have this one, I have all these and all these. So you can easily, for $3.50 plus, you know, your paper and stuff and time, get 2 weeks out of one kit. And then you can print it as many times as you want for personal use. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!